Hello everyone, let's we talk about Sheena Salazar. Sheena Salazar is a confident curvy plus size model who is known for her natural beauty, strong presence and inspiring personality. She is admired for promoting body positivity and self-love in the fashion and modeling world. Hina believes that beauty has no size and that every person deserves to feel confident and proud of their body. From a young age, Hina had an interest in fashion, style, and creative expression. She enjoyed dressing up and exploring different looks, but she often noticed that curvy bodies are not well represented in fashion media. Instead of letting this discourage her, she used it as motivation to step into modeling and challenge traditional beauty standards. Sheena began sharing her modeling photos and lifestyle moments on social media. Her confidence in front of the camera combined with her curvy figure and elegant style quickly caught attention as her audience grew. She became a source of inspiration for many people who wanted to feel more confident in their own skin. As a plus size model, Sheena Salazar has worked with fashion and lifestyle brands that support diversity and inclusivity. She has modeled a wide range of outfits from casual everyday wear to bold and stylish photoshoots. Her ability to express confidence and authenticity in every look has made her a favorite among photographers and creative teams. Beyond modeling, Sheena uses her platforms to spread positive messages about self-acceptance and inner strength. She often encourages her followers to embrace their natural shape and ignore unrealistic beauty standards. She believes confidence comes from self-love and staying true to who you are. Today, Sheena Salazar continues to grow as a curvy plus size model and influencer. She stands as a symbol of modern beauty, confidence, and empowerment, inspiring many people to love themselves without fear or limits. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share.